Okay, we're going to take it off the coffee deck.
Yeah!
It made it. Now the landing is what's going to be good.
Oh, I ain't watching the landing. What you do? What you do? Oh, he clipped one side over the rail.
I heard something.
It was minor.
Okay, watch out. Get over here. Over here. Coming in. Coming in. Hey! I don't know if that... What a perfect landing.
What? Alright, do that again.
Yeah. Wait a minute. I gotta see if we actually took that. So let's hold on. Oh, it's still recording. Okay, he's gonna try it again, guys.
What? One leg. Once is lucky, twice is stupid.
Okay, here we go. Off the coffee drying deck.
Whoa!
Yeah, you can't see it fly. Show it straight up. Show it straight up.
Okay, now we're going to come back through the porthole here. Come on, Ethan. Watch out now. Get out of there. Ethan. Come on. Here we come.